Yes, this is Dr. Suguna. Have you ever wondered why this Python is so popular in the industry? In this video, I am going to talk about the demand of Python in industry and why it is a valuable skill to have. First of all, Python is a versatile language because it can be used for a wide range of applications from the web development to the machine learning and as well as for the data analysis. Many companies and organizations such as Google, NASA and Amazon, they are relying on Python for their software development needs. Python has a very large and supportive community so that you can look for many resources for learning and problem solving. Python is also easy to learn and read because it is having a simple syntax and it is having a large standard library. Now, there is a rise of data-driven decision making and machine learning. That's why the demand of Python in industry is expected to grow in the coming years. So, if you are looking to learn a programming language, then definitely consider start with Python. It's a versatile and it has a large and supportive community and there is a high demand in industry. Check out our channel for more videos on Python and other topics. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends who are interested in tech. Thank you.